So, on the issue of cultural awareness, my topic today will cover attitudes and behavior, the norms in society as a whole. As Mother Dearest would say, etiquette and decorum. Okay? I mean, me growing up in Jamaica, it was a case of defending yourself against all odds. Didn't matter, doesn't matter what. If when in our younger days when we were going to school, children would say hot patty, and try to pick a fight with the weakest link. So you had to embrace yourself and prepare to fight and defend yourself against these little groups that form against you. Especially, I remember one day when I was at school, at primary school, about age 10, the teacher went out and asked me to give a name of all the children who were making trouble and causing unrest in the classroom. And you would see them going like this and pointing at you, and they would wait you, lay in wait. We call it lay wait you when school finish, and they would beat the life out of you, and you would be branded an idiot or a worthless girl or boy. You understand? So in order not to have those brands, you have to defend yourself. And in my later years, I remember my two sisters and I were coming back home when a deranged boy with a machete attacked us at the top of Balcom Drive there in Waterhouse. And when I saw the machete, I pick up my 2 feet in my hands and run. I run as fast as my legs could carry me. In other words, me run left my sister them, right? So when I reach home, mom said, "Where is Joanna Winsome?" And I said to her, "Well, there was a fight and I was trying to find a stone because I know what my mom stood for. We had to defend ourselves. So the fact that I ran home, and when my sisters returned, I got the shit end of the stick. Yeah. Mother Dearest, I'm the worthless one. Why I run and leave them alone to fight the battle? I should be there helping them to defend themselves." So from that day, my dinner reduced because instead of 3 dumplings, I get 2. And they got more. They got, because they stayed and fight and knock the machete out of the boy and fight him. So, you see, it's just the way it is. That is how I was brought up. Learn to defend myself. So can you imagine now transitioning to the United Kingdom with that attitude? This girl troubled me, and the very fact that I tried to defend myself, before I knew it, I had a criminal record. Because she attacked me in the town center. Well, verbally, that was. Calling me names, doing all sorts. And then when I tried to defend myself now, I use excessive force, knock her down, told her what I stood for, and I become the villain. Yeah. So because of that incident, I found myself with an assault record. So it's difficult growing up in the Jamaican culture and being told that you have to defend yourself. And then when you come to the UK and you defend yourself, you find yourself with a criminal record. So this is what I'm talking about. How do you balance the two? How do you balance the two? I train my children not to fight because fighting is wrong. But then if somebody provoke and torment them and want to beat the life out of them, what are they supposed to do? Especially if the person is a persistent troublemaker. You understand? In Jamaica, you get a medal. Like my sisters got 2 extra dumplings and I got less because I run away from the fight. You understand? And then when I come to the UK and I fight, look at what happened. I find myself in court and I find myself with a criminal record. So how do we balance the two? And this is what is the difference with Jamaica and the UK. As you know, in normal life nowadays, you will hear people said, it's just the norm is kill or be killed. You either go and defend yourself or you stand and let people beat the life out of you. So make a choice. Choose between the two. You understand? That's it.